Chapter 4, Case Problem 3. Prepare and print the following reports using the Jason Gallas Attorney-at-Law PC file. Requirement 1. Prepare a new statement of cash flow for the period of January 1st through January 31st of 2012. I've already done this. I did this by going to the icon bar and then selecting Reports, Company and Financial. Scroll all the way down, then double click Statement of Cash Flows, change the date up here, go to Customize Report, Header and Footer, unselect Date Prepared and Time Prepared, add your name to the extra footer line, click OK, then to memorize, click Memorize, and then name it SCF1, save and memorize report group, and select your name, then you would hit OK. And that is how you do requirement 1. Requirement 2, prepare a new statement of cash flows for the period of February 1st through February 29th of 2012. I have already done this. And I did this by going to the icon bar, selecting Reports, Company and Financial, scroll all the way down, double click Statement of Cash Flows, and then change the date up here, February 1st through the 29th of 2012. Go to Customize Report, Header and Footer, unselect Date Prepared, Time Prepared, click Right Alignment, add your name to the extra footer line, go to Fonts and Numbers, select Without Cents, and then click OK. And to memorize, click here and name it SCF2, save in Memorize Report Group, and select your name, and then you would click OK. And that is how you do Chapter 4, Case Problem 3.